You have to have this one thing first and then that. Okay, can you come over there? Can you come over there? No. See this one? Also on the back there?
Yes, all the same.
It will open up. One more time. Peel it.
Oh.
Because otherwise when you deep fry, it will open up. It will be hot oil. This one has to be tucked inside, you see? And you have to hide them inside, you see?
Oh,
This is open. If you make it round, it will be nice. When you buy your thing, you have round and full type of the filling, not only the bread. You see the colors? Nice. And then what you have? You see the skin are different now? You know why? The pastry rough side.
oh.
You right
Yeah,
there.
you put it up here. You can put it there.
Double.
Put them
Ready
all.
wrap?
Next person, you can put it in.
Oh, me?
Yeah, we don't need to wait until the oil, nothing in there because the oil gets hot very quickly. Just slide them in because you can tell the difference between his and yours. I'm sorry.